Here is the exact guide to make money in your sleep. This is going to be a coaching guide for 2025. Imagine waking up with new payments in your bank account without doing any extra work while you were sleeping. Now, in 2024, I've made over $40,000 as an online coach in the last few months of the year, but the game is changing. Coaches are now leveraging systems and automation tools to create scalable income streams, and I've done that for myself, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can too. So in this video, I am going to break down the entire step-by-step system to make money in your sleep as an online coach. Now, this is for you, whether you're new to online coaching or you've been in the space for a while. Now, we're going to be covering three main strategies, the most important one at the end. So step one is building a scalable offer. First, we need to break down what a scalable offer is and how to create one that drives results for our clients. A scalable offer is basically a solution that allows you to serve multiple clients simultaneously. Now, let me break that down for you. So step 1.1 is to identify your niche and target audience. Before you create your offer, you need to know who you're serving. And we can start by doing that by defining your niche. So focus on a specific group with a shared problem, such as new school community owners or creators. Next, we need to understand their needs by identifying the pain points they commonly face. For instance, are they struggling to grow their community or engage members? Now, you can conduct market research to gather insights. You can join forums, surveys, or even groups where your audience hangs out, such as Facebook or even school communities. Now, I want you to take note of common questions or frustrations which they share. For example, a niche like business owners who want to monetize their school community. Well, it's going to provide clarity on your target market. Now, step 1.2 is to craft a repeatable solution. The next step is to create a solution that addresses your audience's primary pain points in a repeatable way. You can start by listing their main problem which your audience is facing. For example, it could be they might frequently ask, how do I grow a community past 500 members? Then I want you to map out the systems. I want you to map out the steps that are involved to the solution. So I want you to break down these steps into clear, actionable steps, such as setting up a school community, attracting the first 100 members, engaging and retaining members, monetizing the community. Now, once you've done those steps, I want you to package the process into a deliverable format. Now, you can decide whether the solution could be a video course, a coaching program, or even like a monthly recurring membership. Now, to make your offer even more valuable, you can include tools or templates your clients can use to speed up their results. For example, you might include plug-and-play school engagement strategies as part of your offer. Now, the next step is to choose a scalable format. So the format of your offer will literally determine how easy it is for you to scale, because an online course allows you to record content once and clients can consume at their own pace. Group coaching programs let you meet with multiple clients in one session to deliver value while answering their questions. And evergreen memberships, provide ongoing access to resources like templates, live Q&As, and even a supportive community. Platforms like School are ideal for these because they combine a community hub with the course delivery and member engagement. Now, the next step is to position your offer as a transformation. So you need to understand clients don't buy courses, they buy outcomes. So to make your offer appealing, I want you to position it around your clients' wants. Focus on results rather than features. Instead of saying, I'll teach you how to grow a school community, I want you to reframe and tinker it to, I'll help you grow your school community past 500 engaged members in 90 days. So what we're doing here is we're highlighting the benefits of your solution and explaining why it's unique. An example could be, your offer might help clients save time with pre-built strategies, avoid burnout by learning scalable systems, and get proven results in 90 days or less. Now, you can further strengthen your positioning by stating outcome clearly. For instance, you could say, you will walk away with a complete system to grow your school community, attract ideal members, and monetize effectively without spending hours on trial and error. Now, step 1.5 is to test and refine your offer. Don't aim for perfection up front. Instead, test your scalable offer and improve it as you go. Start by beta testing with a small group of clients. Offer your program to a few people at a discounted rate and collect their feedback on the content and structure. Now, use the feedback to iterate and refine your program. If clients want more examples and additional steps, then you can update your program accordingly. Now, finally, optimize your program, optimize your offer. to scaling by automating wherever it's possible. For instance, you could replace a live course with recorded video lessons or record, automated email sequences to onboard new clients. That's just a way to test and refine your offer. Deliver with Skool. Once your offer is ready, use a platform like Skool to deliver it effectively. You can begin by creating a video course or a course structure where you upload video modules, slides, or PDFs for easy access. Build a community hub within Skool to foster engagement and provide ongoing support for your clients. Automate engagement by setting up announcements, reminders, and discussion prompts to keep your clients active without adding extra work to your plate. A scalable offer allows you to help more people while saving time and increasing income. By identifying your niche, crafting a repeatable solution, and delivering it through scalable formats like group coaching, you're going to set yourself up for success. And remember, clients always want results, so always focus on delivering tangible end outcomes. Now that is step 1 done, which is building a scalable offer. Now let's move on to step 2, which is to automate delivery. So this is the second step in building a successful coaching business. You need to set up systems that work for you even when you're not working. So we need to understand the value of automation. So automation allows you to deliver high value content and experiences to your clients without being tied to your laptop. By automating repetitive tasks and client interactions, you can focus on activities that drive growth, like refining your office and creating new content. Tools like Skool make automation easy by enabling you to preload courses, set up workflows, and onboard new clients. Set up an onboarding experience. The first area to automate is your onboarding process. A well-structured onboarding sequence ensures that clients feel welcomed and have a clear understanding of how to navigate your program. Start by creating a simple sequence that automatically guides your clients through their first steps. For example, when someone joins your program, they should receive an automated email with a welcome message, their login details, and a roadmap of what to expect. Your sequence could look like this. On day 1, you send an automated welcome email that includes login instructions and overview of the program. On day 3, you can send a reminder to start the first module of your course or coaching program. And on day 7, you can follow up with a progress check-in email, encouraging them to share their wins or ask questions. Now, an onboarding sequence like this ensures smooth experience for your clients and keeps them engaged from the start. Automate repetitive tasks. Beyond onboarding, look for areas where you can, automation can save time. Repetitive tasks are perfect candidates for automations because they don't require your personal attention. Use tools like Zapier to connect with different platforms and automate workflows. For instance, you can set up a Zap to automatically send a payment confirmation email when a client completes the purchase. Another powerful Zap could be welcoming new members into your Skool community as soon as they join. These small automations could eliminate manual tasks and create a seamless experience for your clients. Leverage Skool for content delivery. Skool is an excellent tool for automating your content delivery process. So you can preload courses onto the platform so clients can access modules at their own pace without you having to send anything manually. You can schedule announcements or discussion prompts in your community to keep members engaged. And this is going to ensure that members run smoothly even when you're not online. Focus on high impact work. The ultimate goal of automation is to free up time on your end so you can focus on deliver value and scaling your business. With automated system handling, like automated onboarding, payments, community management, you can dedicate more energy to creating new content, improving your programs, or engaging with clients during live sessions. By reducing time spent on routine tasks, you can position yourself to grow your coaching business sustainably. Automations are a powerful tool that will help you scale your coaching business without sacrificing your time or energy. By automating tasks like onboarding, payment confirmations, and content delivery with tools like Skool and Zapier, you can create a seamless experience for your clients while focusing on the work that truly matters. With the right systems in place, your business can run efficiently even when you're not actively working. Now, that is step 2 done, which is automating delivery. Now we move on to the third and final step, which is leveraging Skool for growth. So Skool is one of the most powerful tools to grow your business with your clients and create recurring income. Firstly, let's go over the power of Skool. So Skool combines course delivery, community engagement, gamification, all in one to make it a unique platform for scaling your coaching business. The platform fosters engagement through features like leaderboards, discussion forums, and live sessions. This engagement creates a feedback loop where members learn, interact, and promote your program organically. By using Skool effectively, you can not only drive higher retention rates, but you can also attract new clients, all while minimizing your manual work. And you can gamify engagement and leaderboards. Skool's leaderboard feature is an excellent way to gamify your community and encourage engagement. Set up a point system where members can earn rewards for contributing to discussions, completing course modules, or helping others. Gamification taps into members' natural desire for recognition and competition, keeping them motivated to participate. For example, you can reward top contributors with badges, exclusive content, or even personal shout-outs during live sessions. Host live Q&A sessions. Live Q&A sessions are a fantastic way to connect with your members and deliver value in real time. Use Skool Communities features to announce and schedule live sessions. During these events, answer questions, share insights, and provide actionable advice that directly addresses your members' needs. These live interactions can build trust and demonstrate your expertise, which help retain existing members while attracting new ones through word of mouth. Reward active participants. Recognizing and rewarding your most active members is simple, yet the most powerful way to boost engagement. So you can give them shout outs to top contributors in your community or during live sessions. You can also offer exclusive perks such as early access to new content, free templates, or one-on-one coaching calls where members feel appreciated. They are more likely to stay engaged and promote your program to others. Create a referral system. A referral system is another powerful feature which you can implement into your school to grow your program. So encourage members to invite others to join your school community by offering rewards. For example, members could earn 3 months of access, bonus content, or special recognition for every successful referral. This turns your school community into a self-sustaining growth engine where existing members help you attract new clients. Skool is more than just a platform, it's a growth engine for your coaching business. By leveraging features like leaderboards, live Q&As, and referral systems, you can create an engaged community that drives consistent growth and recurring income. Now, when used effectively, Skool doesn't just support your business, it amplifies it. So there are the 3 steps to making money in your sleep through coaching. If you want a more detailed guide, I've put together a free checklist that walks you through each step by step at a time. And if you want access to that checklist, you can do that by joining my free Skool community right now.